Now let us look at this question. We are told to calculate the frequency. Let us recall that the frequency itself equals to velocity all over lambda. Alright, and we are told that the speed is given as 300. Okay, the speed here v equals to what? 300. Now, and the frequency is not known, and we are told the lambda also is not known. So from the diagram here, we can ascertain the lambda. Now let us take note that from here down to this point is one cycle, and which gives one lambda. Okay, now you can see from here also again to this point is another lambda, right? And we now have half lambda. So here we can see here that 2.5 lambda now equals to 3 meters. That is the distance. Okay, we can now see here if 2.5 lambda equals to 3 meters, then 1 lambda should give us that will be 3 all over 2.5. And by punching our calculator here, we have 1.2 meter. Now from here we are told frequency will then become 300 all over 1.2. Punching our calculator, that should give us 250 hertz. Thank you and God bless you.